Get ready for the dictation. Start. The aforesaid submission made on behalf of some of the appellants herein is to be tested on the basis of the provisions contained in the Service Rules, 2008 stop. Rule 15 within bracket D of the Service Rules prescribes for a preliminary written test, according to which the candidates declared successful in the physical standard test and required to appear in a preliminary test of qualifying nature carrying 200 marks, which shall comprise of 3 sections, and that candidates who secure minimum 50% marks shall be declared successful. Stop. Thus, according to Rule 15 within bracket D of the Service Rules, 2008, out of 200 marks prescribed for preliminary written examination, a candidate is required to secure minimum 50% to be eligible for appearing in the next ladder of selection. Stop. Clause 2.5 of the Instructions Manual also provides that 50% marks will be the benchmark for qualifying the preliminary written examination, and that maximum number of successful candidates to the extent of 18 times the number of vacancies shall be eligible for appearing in the physical efficiency test on the basis of merit to be prepared based on the marks obtained in the preliminary written examination. Stop. When the provisions contained in the Instructions Manual and the Service Rules, 2008 are compared, what transpires is that the provision of the Service Rules and Instructions Manual are akin to each other. Stop. Neither the rules nor the instructions prescribe any provision for rounding off marks. Stop. Learned single judge, while discussing the arguments made in this regard by the learned counsel for the parties, has analyzed the provisions contained in Service Rules and the Instructions Manual, especially Rule 15 within bracket D of the Service Rules, 2008, and Clause 2.5 of the Instructions Manual, and has reached to the conclusion that the Recruitment Board is not conferred with any authority or power to round off marks, and hence, any such recourse taken by the Recruitment Board would be contrary to the Service Rules, which are statutory in nature, and also to the Instructions Manual. Stop para. The justification offered by the learned counsel representing the state and some of the appellants herein that rounding off was resorted to in order to achieve the target of ratio of 1:3 for participation in the further process of selection, and that Recruitment Board did so in order to maintain the ratio of 1:18 as prescribed in Clause 2.5 of the Instructions Manual, in our opinion, does not hold good for the reason that it would be against the statutory Service Rules, 2008. Stop. It is noticeable that Service Rules, 2008 do not permit rounding off, neither do the Service Rules, 2008 confer any authority or power on the Recruitment Board to do so. Stop para. So far as submission made by some of the appellants that the rounding off could not have been permitted at the time of evaluating the main written examination and the group discussion, for the reason that the final merit list is based on these two stages of selection, however, such rounding off would be permissible while evaluation of preliminary written examination, as the same is qualifying in nature, is concerned, We may refer to the judgments in the case of West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board and others versus Sarit Chakravarti and others, within bracket 2015 13 SCC 668 semicolon Orissa Public Service Commission and others versus Rupa Sri Chaudhary and another, within bracket 2011 8 SCC 108 semicolon Bhanu Pratap versus State of Haryana and others, within bracket 2011 15 SCC 304 stop. In all these cases, Honorable Supreme Court has held that in absence of any power provided in the rules permitting such rounding off so as to bring up a candidate to minimum requirement, rounding off would not be permissible as the same would amount to dilution or amendment to such rules stop. Submission made in this regard that such rounding off marks will attract requisite number of candidates to maintain the ratio as prescribed in the instructions manual is not appealing in absence of any such prescription in service rules which are statutory in nature. Stop.